How to stream over cellular network on Max app. Have you ever seen this error? This is a sign that your Max app will not work when using cellular data. Stay until the end and find out how you can solve it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Max application. When we enter an episode of a series or a movie, and when we try to play some content on the cellular network, we will receive this notification. This way you can save data consumption by only using Wi-Fi for streaming. However, what if you don't have Wi-Fi somewhere? All you need to do is return to the home page of the application. There, find your profile picture and tap on it. All settings that you can make in this application will open. Here you need to find the app settings section and tap on it. When the new page opens, find the stream over cellular option. If it is turned off, it needs to be activated. In this way, you will be able to stream over the cellular network. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.